Assalamualaikum. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today we are going to have a class with the students of class 3. Our today's subject is English Literature. Today's topic is Unit 1 RW and lecture number is 19. Okay, my dear students, we will revise Unit 1 all the exercises from the books Buzzword 3. Our Unit 1 is At Home Again. Now, see. This is Unit 1 At Home Again from your Buzzword book. We will first revise the word meaning. Unload, to take out or remove things from a vehicle, a car, a bus, etc. My dear students, see that here after ETC there is given a dot. This has been given as this is the abbreviation of etc. That's why. But after word meaning we can't give full stop. As we have written here the short form of etc. That's why we have given full stop. That's it. That is dot for the etc. But not for the meaning. Okay. So we can't give full stop at the end of word meaning. Number B, gloomy. Looking dull because it was badly lit. C, spotted. Saw or found something suddenly. Fluffy. Number D, fluffy, soft and white like cotton. Now the make sentence. A, gloomy. The room looked gloomy. We have to be so careful that after the making sentence we have to put full stop because this is a sentence. It has a complete meaning, complete sense. Then spot. Priya spotted an old basket. Follow. Priya followed the kitten. Full stop. Fluffy. Priya got a fluffy kitten. Full stop. Now the true false. You have to write true for the true sentence and false for the false sentence. Number A. Priya was excited that she was moving to a new house. This is false. Number B. The kitchen was filled with unpacked boxes. This is true. Number C. Priya wrote a letter to her grandmother. This is false. Number D. Priya found the kitten inside a basket in the garden. This is true. Now, see synonym, antonym. The word big, its synonym is large and antonym small. Gloomy, synonym word is dull, antonym is bright. Frightened, afraid, antonym brave. Dirty, synonym filthy, antonym clean. Now question answer. Number 1. What did Priya think on the way to her new house? Answer. Priya thought how her new home would be and if she would have any new friends there. Full stop. Number 2. Was Priya happy to find the kitten in the garden? Why? The answer is Priya was happy to find the kitten in the garden because she wished she had a pet. Number 3. What did the kitten do once it was clean? The answer is the kitten shook itself and mewed softly. Then it jumped out of Priya's arms and ran out of the garden happily. Number 4. Why did Priya name the kitten Fluffy? Answer. After cleaning, the kitten became all white and fluffy, so Priya named it Fluffy. Okay, my dear students, this is all for today. I hope that all of you are practicing very well for your upcoming practice-based exam. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamualaikum.